Jukie Davie crafts. We're going to be doing some very fun Thanksgiving crafts today to get into the spirit of Thanksgiving. What a more fun idea and better way to get into the spirit of Thanksgiving than making a turkey. I know, it's like the best idea you've heard all day. I know, I understand. I have such amazing ideas. The craft that we're going to be making today involves a toilet paper roll. These are so common. You can find them pretty much anywhere in your household. Trash cans. And we are going to turn this toilet paper roll into a Thanksgiving turkey. Woo! Now, to get into the spirit of Thanksgiving, I have a very special hat that I would like to put on. If you'll excuse me. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This isn't a turkey, it's a chicken. But why don't we all just use our imaginations and pretend it's a turkey? Okay, you're looking at me like I'm crazy. No chicken? No chicken? Here are the supplies you need for your turkey craft. A piece of white paper, a piece of orange paper, a piece of red paper, a piece of brown paper, and a piece of green paper, a little bit of cardboard, some scissors, a glue stick, and, of course, your toilet paper roll. I just got this from my bathroom. You can buy all of these supplies at your local craft store, grocery stores, superstores, or online, of course. And there's a link below where you can buy them online. Alright, so let's get crafting. The first thing we are going to do is make our feathers with our different colored paper here. Let's do the green one first. So you're going to go ahead and take your scissors and cut out a nice leaf shape. About 6 inches? Maybe that big? Now, we are going to cut some slits in it to make it look like it's all feathery. Now that you're all done making your little slits in your feathers, now you're going to separate the feathers a little bit like that so they look like feathers. Like that. Now it looks like a little feather. So now that we have our green feather, you're going to do that exact same thing with all the other colors. Like now, I'm going to do it with my brown paper. Brown paper. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put my hat back on. I don't feel like I'm really in the Thanksgiving spirit without my chicken. I need my chicken. Okay, now the brown paper feather. It's okay if it's a little lopsided. Not all feathers are the exact same. So now you're gonna make your little feather ripples. Now we have our brown feather. Oh, and don't forget to separate the little things. Now we have 2 feathers, but we have 3 more to go. Let's do our red feather now. Uh-oh. That's not good. That's okay. I'll just make another one. And now we have the red feather. And I think this one was better than the first one actually. So it all worked out. Now let's do our orange feather. Get your orange paper out. Here we go. Let's do it. All right, we only have 1 more feather to go. It's our white paper. White feather paper. So here we go, just 1 more to go. And now we have all of our feathers. I think it's about time we move on to our turkey. Oh, that's chicken. Turkey. That's better. Getting my poultry confused. Goodness gracious. Okay, so now you're going to take your cardboard and we're going to cut out a little circle for the turkey head. About the size of your toilet paper roll hole. So if you want to, you can trace your toilet paper roll hole with a pencil or a marker or a crayon. I think I'm just gonna eyeball it. I would suggest tracing it, probably. But I'm just gonna eyeball it. Here we go. Now that you have it all traced, go ahead and take your scissors and go ahead and cut out your little cardboard hole. Might be a little tricky. Cardboard is a little stiff. You might need to have a parent or guardian help you with this. This is a little tricky. Little circle for the turkey head. Alright, now you're going to go ahead and take your toilet paper roll and we're going to glue our head right in the middle of our toilet paper. Just like this. So go ahead and take your glue stick and put a whole bunch of glue in the middle of your cardboard circle. Oh yeah. And I'm going to put it right in the middle of my toilet paper roll. Yeah, just like that. Ooh. Now we're going to take out our orange paper again and we're going to cut a beak. A beak? Like this one. For our turkey. And it can be as long or as skinny or as big as you want it to be. I like this size. I think this is a good sized beak for me. It fits so well. Then we're going to glue it on our turkey head. Just like this. And now we have to make the gobble gobble. You can draw it out first if you want. I just like cutting. So here we go. Grab your scissors. Look at me. Now you're going to glue it on the head. Oh yeah. Right by the beak. Just like this. Gobble, gobble. Now we are going to make our turkey eyes. So we have to get our white paper back out. And you're going to make two identical little white circles onto your white paper. Or you can just cut it out, like what I'm going to do. Either way, whatever makes you happy. It is Thanksgiving after all. I want everyone to be happy and grateful to be able to make such amazing crafts with your family and friends on Thanksgiving or before Thanksgiving or really any time. Why can't you make turkeys in August? So silly. Actually, you think I know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use my glue stick cap as a little tracing guide. That'll make my life a little bit easier. So now we have two eyes. Now we have to make the turkey pupils. I'm going to use brown paper, but you can use whatever construction paper color you like. Whatever makes you happy. Because I care about your happiness, obviously. That's why we're doing crafts, because crafts are happiness. Everyone knows that, obviously. So now you're gonna make little tiny little dots on your construction paper for your pupils, and then you're gonna cut them out with your scissors. we have little circles for our pupils. You probably can't even see them. I can barely see them. But now you're going to glue your little pupils onto your eyeballs. There we are. And now, guess what? We're gonna glue our eyeballs onto our turkey head. Alright, now that we have our head, that's all finished. Now, all we have to do is put on our feathers. And then we'll be all done. And you can arrange the feathers in whatever way you wish. So go ahead and glue them all together, and then we're gonna glue them on our turkey, our toilet paper roll turkey. Now we have our feathers. If I had another one of these, I could just fly away. I'll be gone. I'll be out of here. Bye-bye. But now, you're gonna glue it onto our turkey here. And we are all done with our Thanksgiving toilet paper roll turkey. Wow! He's so silly looking. And you know what? He would be perfect as a centerpiece for your Thanksgiving dinner. He could go right there, next to the turkey, or by the salt and pepper shakers. I think this is just a perfect Thanksgiving toilet paper turkey craft. Yeah, just look at it. It's so cute! I like the little eyes. Oh, it's so precious. Thank you all so much for doing this Thanksgiving turkey toilet paper roll craft with me. I hope you had so much fun, and I hope you find all kinds of things to do with your toilet paper roll turkey craft. The head came off! Mimi used a different kind of glue. There we go. Thank you all so much for joining me. If you enjoyed yourself, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any great crafts with me. They're so much fun. And I will see you all next time on Jukie Davie Crafts. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! Happy crafting!